Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, as Tuesday, June the 21st, longest day of the year 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary puzzle. Alright, it's time for binary time, yes. Binary puzzle number 4733. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 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 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. And then, let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be a 1, this should be an O. If I place the 4th 1 in this row here, then we still have 3 O's in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be a 1, this should be an O. Alright, between two O's comes an 1. Then 1, 2, 3. If I place 1, 2, 3, if I place the number 4, the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in this column. 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be a 1, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then let me think. 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Yeah, I think we need to compare. We have here 3 columns completed. Okay. Let me see. 101. We have a 101 here. Almost the same. The rows then 110. No. 1011. Do we? Yeah. This one and that one. 001111 empty box 00. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Yeah, need to compare again. Wow. Yeah, this column and that column. Okay, 0011 0011 empty box 00 empty box 11. So we need to switch these two boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Correct. Finish in 5 minutes with twice comparing. Yeah, I need to compare twice. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic. In Dutch, cijferblok. What name is that in Dutch? Alright, 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.